Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to our classes of IELTS. Students, today we will be doing Academic IELTS Writing Essay Part 2, Task 2. Okay, so you can just clearly see our question is it is about advertising. Okay, advertising reveals much about a country. Do you agree with this statement? Discuss your views or discuss your opinion. Clear? So, what we have to do before making this particular essay, just keep in mind the important vocabulary words and the ideas which you have to put here, and the most important one is your introduction. Clear? Your intro should be very polished and very refined if you want to score good bands in your IELTS examination. So, okay, okay, let's start with the video. So we can here put it like this. We can use this introduction like this one. Advertising is like a fingerprint or a mirror that portrays the essence of a location. This essay intends to shed a light in favor of commercials. Okay, so here two three words are there. First of all is commercial, that you know, which is the synonym of advertisement. Clear? Then the word essence. Essence means importance or important. Clear? You can use the word essence, you can use important. Clear? So I think you understood your introduction, and further proceeding with the essay, what we have to do now, we have to just frame some good ideas which you will be putting in your body paragraphs. Clear? So I have written the I have written the ideas, and you can put it out. These are only the main keywords which you will be using for generating good body paragraphs. Clear? So here you can mention like the uniqueness of a country. Clear? So advertising, or you can say the advertisements, it shows about the uniqueness or about the specialty of a particular location or a country or a nation. Clear? Other point which you can mention is about we know very well that evidently advertisements just promote the beauty, culture, heritage and traditions of a country. Clear? So from these commercials we know about the country, we can get idea about their traditions or customs. Okay, so definitely it will be going to increase our knowledge. Clear? Second one, which is the more the other ideas which we can put it out here like this, that can be advertisements spreads brotherhood and communal harmony. Clear? If from these type of advertisements we know about different countries, so definitely we will be having a very good bonding with the other countries. Clear? We can get ideas about the countries, and we can develop the feeling of brotherhood and harmony in the nation. Not only in the nation, it is communal harmony all over the globe. Clear? And some other ideas which you can put in your body paragraph 2 or 1. These are, I have basically written all the ideas. You can put it out according to your wish. Clear? So we can also say like this. Well, advertisement definitely attracts attracts the tourism market. Clear? It will directly fascinate the tourism industry. Clear? So because from advertisements will be coming to know about different type of locations, places, or their good buildings, malls. Clear? Or about good hotels like this. So definitely we are going to get a very good response from that. Okay, further proceeding, we can also say advertisements, or you can say commercials, they just help us to guide and to avail the various trends in the market, like some various, you can say, services. Okay, various products, about the quality, I mean, we will be having a diversity of knowledge. Clear? So these are some of the rules of the daily commercials, which will definitely which is definitely very important, and it is the main idea, or it is the main key point which helps us to know more about the other nations. So guys, I think you understood this very well. And okay, now you have all the ideas and you have introduction also clear, so you can make it very easily. And regarding your conclusion paragraph, in that you can use any transitional expressions like this. You can use in compendium, or you can say in summary, clear, to put it up, clear, to conclude, or you can also use the word in crux. Okay, in crux is also very good word for the conclusion paragraph. Clear? So definitely you can use these words, like you can say in crux, it is worth accepting that definitely advertisement creates a particular platform from where we can avail the knowledge regarding the globe. Clear? So okay guys, bye bye.